In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a Metro card to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can add any transit or Metro card to your iPhone in your Apple Wallet. So the Apple Wallet allows you to add various different transit cards. To check if a particular transit card that you are using can be added to the Apple Wallet, open the app itself and tap the plus sign at the top right. Once you tap the plus sign, you will see the option to add transit cards. So choose transit card from the list, and now you will see various different cards across the world. So for example, for the United States, in this screenshot they have Clipper, Smart Trip, Tap, and so on. All that you have to do is use the search function to look for a particular transit or metro card that you want to add. Like I said, you will see cards all across the world. So for example, if you are traveling to Japan, soon you should be able to find the Suica card, which is the card that they use there for most transit and transport locations. So all that you have to do is find your card on this list. Once you tap on it, you might see the option to add balance to the card and set up things like auto pay or other options. You can manage all of the transactions that will be made using this card through the wallet itself. So all that you have to do is find it on the list. If a specific card that you are looking for does not appear on this list, then sadly it is going to be impossible. Not all cards are supported in the Google Wallet, the Apple Wallet, Samsung Wallet, and some of them will only have their physical counterparts. So to check if a specific card that you want to use can be used digitally with your phone, go into the Apple Wallet, tap the plus sign, and choose Transit Card. After you add it to the wallet, you can physically place your phone near any sort of card reader, and the card should be used to pay for that fare. So it's as simple as adding it here and managing the balance. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Metro card to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.